Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to share a token in front of you. This token is a NFT token. His name is SpaceX.com. He is very good token. You buy this token, he gives you a great benefit to you. So let's start the video without wasting times. First of all, we have something like this interface. News. First of all, you connect your wallet and pre-sale 1 BNB, 1 BNB 30,000 TRX. You see raffler to 30% NFT X. You see the raffler to 10% BNB and 63 days, 24 hours, 23 minutes and 5 seconds listening on PancakeSwap. Why NFT Space? NFT Space is a revolutionary NFT marketplace of Abitonius artists, collectors, and traders. Bullet on the Binance network. We are making NFT more available and accessible. You see the video on YouTube, NFT X Space X. Here's the great video. You see the video in English and you see open the video on YouTube and see the video. NFT space is a disruptor and will definitely change the NFT space. You see the and app in Play Store, Google Play, and NFT wallets, NFT marketplace. You NFT apps. Our soon to be released app will make creating, selling, and trading NFT a breeze, fast, secure, and intuitive on your mobile device. You will find the newest and hottest NFT trends in your marketplace. NFT from upcoming in India artists and famous high profile trendsetters all in one place. And you see the NFT wallet. Collect, trade, and store your precious NFT in our secure NFT wallet and enjoy exclusive access to the marketplace and exclusive events. And you see the one of the fastest growing industries worldwide. The entry NFT market grew by 80% in a just 2020. The value tripled in less than 3 months of 21 in 2021, making the NFT growth and aggregated 60,000% from 2020. It is a unique opportunity which you should miss. You should not miss. And see the NFT and loved and supported by artist arts and the biggest companies on earth. I come and you see the learn how actually to make money with NFT. This is how we help you through our iterative NFT learning platform. Trends or and collectors can learn to make money with NFT. You receive expert resource, get updates about the latest trends, projects, insights, and review what's out, collaborations and acquisitions, organization tips and tricks, and much more. All grid and smart balance trading bots and interactive global NFT learning platform, organizing exclusive collaboration and learn acquisition. Lower subscription fees to become a member of the world's largest NFT community. In-depth project reviews to help you understand the mechanisms behind NFT. I come back and first of all, you see first global NFT management platform. Focus 100% on your art. We were the world first premium platform that provide complete NFT management service for artists, so that you can focus on your work. You can confidently rely on your expertise to fully manage your valuable digital assets while playing with your creativity. Complete branding to give you an influential online presence, handling and technical accept, so you can relax positioning your brand and USP. Organizations of exclusive live action acquisitions of artwork promotions to million of art enthusiasts worldwide. And you see meet our team. We are desired group of 20 plus highly skilled developer, marketers, and influence. Our over component and creative teams has the knowledge, drive, and aptitude for building a revolutionary platform and scaling any crypto to the moon and beyond. You see the team Frank Melanin and Natalia, community manager. Melanie, head of marketing, and Frank, founder and CEO, NFT SpaceX. We are different. Losses fee, interactive learning platforms, new artist management, cross-chain community focused, open to everyone. And you see that this why should you invest in an NFT? This token will revolutionize the entry NFT space and will be primarily used in the NFT SpaceX universe. NFT is a token with more than 20 use case, exclusive payments methods, and live acquisitions of NFT space. Passive incomes for holding NFTX, payments method for our collabs. Get access to the live events, the only currency that you will be able to use the NFT SpaceX games platform laughing in 2022 and more much. You see the Tokmonix pre-sale, private sale, pre-sale liquidity rewards, airdrop team, bird advisor bounty, and 1 billion total player, 2% passive income, 2% liquidity, 1%, 15% charity, and marketing anti-whale, market watch, Central, Daily Herald, Digital Journal, and don't say later I knew this word will blow up. Join our Telegram, and it's a email of this nftxspace.com. You write message in this email, and you follow the his Twitter and Telegram. I show you his Twitter. You see the Twitter, and it's a metaverse games, a metaverse games. You follow in this Twitter, and I show the full review of this website. His website is very great benefit to you, and you buy this NFT token. He's like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon at the same time. Thank you. Good.